She that fatty I desire. She got that fatty I admire. She warming up, coming out that attire. A hot girl, but I love to play with fire. I do. She got the candles all lit, about to handle all of it. Ride it like an animal, my face the saddle where she sit. She can do it fast, she can do it slow. Either way, it's gonna be lit. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we are focusing on mind, body, and soul. I'm Amber. I run Bella Royal Spa, so you know it's health and wellness. And we always got to focus on keeping our mind in the right place, keeping our heart in the right place, keeping our body tea. Okay? And then getting out here and getting into what we need to get into. So if you aren't new here, you know the deal, baby. You know the deal. So what I'm trying to do this week is I'm dropping shorter videos, but maybe more videos. So I used to do 2 every week, so I'm gonna try and do 4 a week, but they're gonna be shorter videos. So as you can see, I drop on Monday, today's Wednesday. You know, I'm doing a quick little intro for the video that I've already edited that I'm about to upload. So I'm just gonna see how this works out. You know, I feel like maybe if you have more videos, you get out there more and I get monetized faster, because you know that is exactly what I'm trying to do, so that I can show you guys more, okay? But anyway, while we're in this state, I love what I do, and you guys are really gonna love the video I drop on Friday, because it's like on Skid Row, a whole performance, a whole deal, okay? So in this video though, we are shopping for a new protein shake. We got a new recipe. And yeah, so let's get on into it. And right now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new here. Because I promise you, let's bet, you're going to love it here. Okay? Like, love ya, comment, anything you want to know. Anything you want to see. I got you. Oh, you know what? I can't walk past it. I'll be using this for my protein shakes. It's so good. So, really, the purpose of coming here was for protein powder. And I think I'm gonna get a different one than what I had before. So this is the one I had. Wow, they got buy one, get one 50% off.
Anything specific? Any questions?
Well, this is the bone broth I had. I used all the way, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm not liking about it. I'm like, maybe because it's like collagen, bone broth. I just really want the protein.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Something that really specializes in that.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like it. Do you have any recommendations?
Yeah, so grams of protein, like BIRDMAN is 31 grams of protein, like they just
Ooh, how's BIRDMAN?
So BIRDMAN's an interesting one. Yeah. Do you remember BIRDMAN? He played on the Denver Nuggets for a while.
Yeah.
So that's his brand.
Is that his brand?
That's his brand. And I don't like push everybody to because I haven't tried it yet, but they have one of the higher amounts of protein you'll get per serving here. Specifically, that's not really your pick.
You know what? I think I might go with BIRDMAN.
Yeah, I haven't tried it, so definitely try it.
Yeah.
You may be able to throw that on at the register.
Okay.
So give it a shot. Do you want chocolate?
Yeah.
Vanilla?
No, I think I'm going to do that one.
Yeah, let me grab it for you.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so this is chocolate.
Yeah.
Do you feel like the chocolate comes through like that? Because I do it, I put berries, banana, peanut butter. You think I'm even going to realize it?
Probably not.
Probably not, right?
If it's lower in sugar, you won't. I am also noticing it's got creatine and BCAAs in it. So if you're really trying to push and like get the athletic performance in it, it's probably the way to go.
Really?
Yeah, but I haven't tried it. Now what I will tell you.
Yeah, sport protein, yeah, I'm just leaning towards that.
And what I will tell you is if you try it once or twice and you're like, this is awful, you can bring it back with the receipt.
Oh, right.
So if it's low sugar, it'll just taste kind of...
you guys, you really helped me. That's the one we're going to go with.
Thank you.
I'm in the grocery store because I'm making this new recipe. And I feel like I just got everything that I needed. That's what I'm gonna make, right? So I feel like I have everything. It's so good. Look at that. Over mashed potatoes. So cook with me. We're gonna see how it comes out. So let's get up out of here and get to cooking.
So anyways, so we talking, and then so now she's asking my age, she didn't believe. She was like, I'm like, I'm 49 years old. She's like, wow, damn.
She's 21. She's 21.
She's like 20. Yeah, well, that's what it says on
Yeah.
her profile. So
Yeah.
that kind of, and I was like, okay, she was like, oh dang, you're older than my dad, but that's okay. I couldn't hang with her.
No, I know. No, but you probably wouldn't. Yeah, that's a bit too young.
Yeah, she was gonna expect to like shackle up with no youngs because she got a whole life ahead of her. Who knows what the fuck she's gonna get into? She got her whole life. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I'm not gonna hold her back. I'm not gonna hold no youngster back from that.
Right, and that's the thing. I feel like when older men like that, which know that the gap is just kind of crazy, they want that control. They want, a young person who might be a little bit naive, who still, maybe they can like get in their head a little bit, because I just feel like, damn, like that age gap, I don't even want to date a 21-year-old. Like, okay, let's season it up time. Calories. Good people. Get out of there. I was running low. Cayenne. Okay. And then she just has a recipe for like the sauces she puts on there. So since we already peeled the potatoes, I didn't have to peel red potatoes. I just did. I just didn't want it on there. So we're gonna let this marinate. We're gonna put on the pot of water for the potatoes, cut those up, put those on, and then we're gonna cook this in butter, and then I'm gonna make the other two sauces. It's like a sauce she makes with the parsley and the garlic and the seasonings, and that's for the top of the meat. And then she makes another seasoning that goes on top of the mashed potatoes. I'm not sure. And then I'm not putting sour cream in my mashed potatoes. She used sour cream. I'm not using sour cream. So anyway, I'm gonna get this together. Okay, we got our parsley. And our garlic.
All right, you take care of this. Clean up this side. Hey, beautiful.
Pack your shit. You going home? Are you ready? That'd be so rude in a weird way. I was just thinking about my kids. And that's a wrap for this video. I'll see you guys Friday. And please follow me on my socials. Instagram, bellaroyaltoo, TikTok, Amber Bellaroyal Spa, Facebook, Amber Marie. I love you guys so much, more than you know. See you Friday.